This is a recast of the 5,500-word piece, Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, a pioneer influencing AI, from AI VIPs. Let's listen in.
This article is about a gentleman named Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, a 17th century polymath known for his works in philosophy, mathematics, science, law, and diplomacy. Born in Leipzig, Germany, Leibniz was an intellectual powerhouse from a young age, earning a doctorate in law from the University of Altdorf. But his curiosity extended beyond law. He delved into philosophy, mathematics, and the natural sciences.
Indeed, he engaged with the leading thinkers of his time and was characterized by an unending quest for knowledge. Despite his immense contributions to various fields, Leibniz's life was also marked by intellectual rivalries, most notably with Sir Isaac Newton over the development of calculus.
Speaking of contributions, Leibniz had quite a few. His metaphysical treatise, Monadology, describes the universe as composed of simple substances called monads. He saw these as indivisible and self-contained entities forming reality. His philosophy emphasized the pre-established harmony of the universe. This idea would later influence developments in metaphysics and epistemology.
In mathematics, Leibniz independently developed calculus, which has become fundamental to modern science and engineering. Unlike Newton's approach, which used fluxions, Leibniz's calculus was based on infinitesimals. His method proved more intuitive for many later mathematicians.
Not just that, he also pioneered significant advances in symbolic logic. He introduced the idea of characteristica universalis, or a universal language that could encapsulate all human knowledge through a formal logical structure. These ideas were far ahead of their time and would later influence computer science development.
Now let's fast forward to artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is a field that seeks to create machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. It has evolved rapidly recently, and its roots can be traced back to the works of philosophers and mathematicians like Leibniz.
Leibniz's work intersects remarkably with AI concepts. His vision of a universal language anticipated formal languages used in programming and AI. His calculating machine dream foreshadowed computers and algorithms that are now crucial to modern AI.
Furthermore, Leibniz's concept of monads bears resemblance to distributed processing and parallel computing models used in AI today. His philosophy of pre-established harmony can be seen as an early conceptualization of decentralized systems that are increasingly prominent in AI research.
His monadology introduces the concept of monads as fundamental building blocks of reality which do not interact directly with each other. Instead, each reflects the entire cosmos from its unique perspective. This concept is central to understanding Leibniz's metaphysics, where the universe is seen as a harmonious and preordained structure of interconnected entities.
In terms of understanding intelligence and consciousness, Leibniz's monads offer a framework for thinking about these concepts in non-material terms. This challenges the notion that consciousness and intelligence must be grounded in physical substrates and opens up possibilities for non-biological forms of intelligence.
Now let's talk about Leibniz's calculus and symbolic logic. His development of calculus and its approach to infinitesimals has had a lasting impact on computational thinking. It's crucial not only in natural sciences, but also in algorithms underpinning modern AI.
Let's not forget about his work in symbolic logic, which laid the groundwork for computer science. His idea of characteristica universalis, a universal language that could represent complex logical relations through symbols, anticipated formal languages used in programming and algorithm design.
This brings us to the relevance of Leibniz's ideas in AI today. His vision of a universal language, for instance, is highly relevant in the field of knowledge representation in AI, where information about the world is encoded in a format the machine can use to solve complex problems.
Moreover, his philosophy encourages the creation of systems that contribute to the overall well-being of society, suggesting that AI should be developed and deployed in ways that maximize positive outcomes and minimize harm. His philosophy can guide ethical AI development.
On the controversial topic of whether AI can possess consciousness, Leibniz's concept of monads can serve as a metaphor for understanding AI consciousness. Just as monads possess their internal perceptions and representations of the world, AI systems process information and generate outputs based on their internal states and algorithms.
In terms of AI research and development, Leibniz's ideas offer a robust framework. His commitment to rationality, harmony, and the greater good provides a guiding ethos for AI research, ensuring these technologies are developed to benefit society as a whole.
To sum it up, Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz was a timeless thinker whose ideas have had a lasting impact on a wide range of fields, including artificial intelligence. Despite the passage of time, Leibniz's ideas continue to resonate in the modern world, offering valuable insights into knowledge, intelligence, and ethical reasoning.
That's it for today.